Here we go, boys. Is the box just been down to where we been?
Bag shop.
Miles away, Surrey. For this, 70 quid.
No, not bag shop.
No, it wasn't Bag Shop. It was Surrey.
Yeah, no.
Somewhere in Surrey.
Banstead.
Surrey. Sutton in Surrey. Saturn. One Amiga A500. Cat. Hello. A500 Plus. Cat interested in the A500. Bit of yellowed.
I think so. It's about 30-year-old, isn't it?
Screws don't look original. This is one that Ian and me can open tomorrow night, and I want to look in there. I haven't got a, yeah, there we go. Got a tool, she said. No expansion card. Yeah, it's what it is. Right. Okay, so it's, oh, there we go. Let's have a look what else in the box. Box of discs and a...
Oh. Yeah, baby. Midnight.
Oh, there we go. So it's 2.4 workbench, fonts, Lemmings, Simpsons,
Yeah.
Eric, Deluxe Paint 3, something else, Digipens, the Adams Family. So those are the original Amiga ones. Zool! Oh my god, Zool 1 and 2. Oh, Amiga format disc. Copy of workbench. Yeah, these are all floppy ones, dear.
Much like you, really.
Amiga format cover discs, I think. Yeah, Amiga format cover discs. Load this carefully, very faulty. Okay. So the big 100. Space Invaders, fucking row. What? Yeah, so lots of games there. And other shit. What else in the box? We have got Joystick of Champions.
Oh, that looks really grubby.
It looks grubby, but I tell you what, that is what people pay for that. So I could probably do with a mic switch on one side, but that, if I'm not mistaken, is it a quick 5 or something like that? I recognise it. This is the ones that, oh, it's the Quick Joy Junior. Yeah, so Ian likes a quick bit of joy. Yuck. Manuels. Deluxe Paint 3 bit tatty. Amiga A500 with paper hanging out. So it's had something done. Don't know. Let's go to quick connect. I'll have to go through that later, find out what it all is. Oh, video power. Mice. There you go, Wens. Mouse to the ball. You can have a little pick of the ball and see if there's any grub on it. Pick the fluff off your balls, love. A520, so that's the video adapter doodah. Oh, look at that. It's one of those spinny roundy discs.
I bet he's had this from now.
Nah, he hasn't. Some other strange, no idea what this is. In-flight combat. Don't know what that's for. Oh, Elite. Oh my god. Oh my god, I've got Elite somewhere. How cool. The 520 modulator. Doodah. And last but not least, the A590 power supply. Oh yes. Oh, it's got the moulded plug as well. Oh my god, how cool. And yeah, obviously that strange wanky end that they decided to put on that can't be replaced. But yeah, we're looking good. Tomorrow, Ian and I are going to strip it down.